Hello guys, hope you're fine. It's been quite some time, but I'm back here. Yes, so this is what I had yesterday for lunch and I decided to share with you guys. This is goat's meat. It is the leg actually. So I'm going to bake it and let's wait for the results. For the ingredients, I used oil, turmeric, rosemary, garlic, onions, and some other dry ingredients. That is some mustard that I've added to the oil. It's gonna add some nice taste to the goat's meat. Mix with the garlic, the onions, some rosemary, and then I'm going to mix everything together to make a paste. The rosemary is going to give our meat a good aroma, and of course it's going to add flavor. So just add salt to your bowl. I've used about 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 spoons of cumin, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, garlic 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and I'm making some incisions on the leg. You can make quite as many as you'd like. The more incisions, the tastier it's going to be because the spices and all the ingredients will go inside the meat. As you can see, I've finished putting our marinade on the leg. So I'm going to just wrap it in the foil paper and then I'll put it in the oven. Why I'm doing so is because I want it to fast cook in the foil, and then we shall grill it afterwards. Just place it carefully. I'm going to cook this at 180 degrees and I'm going to cook it for 40 minutes. So this is it after 40 minutes. It has produced lots of sauce, so I'm going to use this liquid to make a curry that we shall serve with this lamb. It's actually ready, only that I want to brown it, but as you can see, it's actually ready for eating. Very soft, tender. So just place it on a rack and then put it back in the oven. I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes, 10 minutes on one side, 10 minutes on the other side, so that it browns. And actually cooking it before will help it to be tender even after grilling it in the oven. As you can see, it is brown, shimmers, looks very nice, very soft, of course very tasty. You can have this with mashed potato, rice, avocados, any vegetables, and then serve it with a nice sauce.